Good morning, friends. I'm Jen at Snapdragon Quilting, and today I'm going to be telling you all about the Add a Quarter ruler. This ruler is a fantastic tool to use with foundation paper piecing, which is a quilting technique where we sew fabric onto paper. This ruler that I'm showing you here is the original design. It's 12 inches long and about 1.5 inches wide. There are some new versions, but what they've kept the same is this lip on the back. This is the same on all the Add a Quarter rulers and what we're going to use to make foundation paper piecing easy. So there's this ruler, and then let me show you the new ones. These are called Add a Quarter Plus. They come in a set of 2, and they also come individually. The big one is the same length as the original, it's 12 inches, but it's wider, and this makes it a little bit easier to hold on to while you're using it. If you're working with a smaller project, the 6-inch ruler is fantastic because it's less to manage. So they've got 2 versions. Let me jump in and show you how it works. All right, today I'm going to be working with the Add a Quarter Plus 6-inch ruler because the project I'm working on is actually pretty small. With foundation paper piecing, the first thing you do is you cut out your foundation paper that you'll be using for your pattern, and you'll see that the shapes are numbered, and that's the order that you want to add fabric. So we're going to start with shape number 1, and when you do foundation paper piecing, you always want to cut your fabric quite a bit larger than the shape. Sometimes people will use a strip of fabric or just like a fat quarter, and you can just kind of add it on as you go and then cut it out. You don't have to cut out a smaller piece before you start, but it does make it a little bit easier if you do. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to attach this fabric onto shape 1, and I like to do that with a little glue pen. So I'm just going to put a dab of glue there. And then I want to make sure that that shape 1, and I went ahead and pre-folded this so you could see where that shape, that triangle that we're trying to cover, and we need at least 1/4 inch or more on all sides for our seam allowance. So I'm going to just take a quick peek here. Oh, we could move it up just a smidge. The right and left look good, and the nice thing about using glue, I can peel it off and do it again. All right, let's check again. Right and left, plenty of room, and now our top edge has quite a bit of room. So we attach our first piece, and then we need to trim the seam allowance between shapes 1 and 2. We're going to add fabric to shape 2 next. So I'm going to simply fold that over, and this is where that lip is going to come in handy. So right here, there is a little lip on the underside of this ruler, and then the distance between the lip and the edge of the ruler is 1/4 inch. So it works beautifully at creating a 1/4 inch seam. So I folded that fabric, and then I'm just going to set that lip right against the fold and then trim my fabric. And now I've got that perfect 1/4 inch seam. And with foundation paper piecing, we're going to do this as we keep adding fabric. We're going to stitch more and more fabric on. And so this ruler just creates consistent 1/4 inch seams over and over. Love this one. I hope you enjoyed today's video about how to use the Add a Quarter ruler. If you did, please like and subscribe below. You can also get this ruler in my shop in both the 12-inch size, the 6-inch size, or the combo of the Add a Quarter Plus rulers. And then I've got lots of fun foundation paper piecing patterns to go with them. Happy quilting!